Ever seen that dreaded check engine light illuminate on your dashboard? It's a moment no driver wants to experience. Today, we're diving deep into a specific and critical diagnostic trouble code, P0606. This code points directly to an issue with your engine control module, or ECM processor. Join us as we demystify P0606, explore its implications, and guide you through how to address this serious fault. So, what exactly is P06? The ECM is essentially the brain of your vehicle. It orchestrates countless engine functions, from fuel injection to ignition timing. A P0606 code signifies an internal malfunction within this core processing unit itself. This isn't a minor issue, it's a serious code, often indicating the need for a complete ECM replacement. Now, let's talk about the common symptoms you might encounter with a P0606 fault. The most obvious is a continuously illuminated check engine light, a clear sign something is wrong. You might experience significant engine performance issues, such as stalling, misfires, or rough idling. Reduced power and poor fuel economy are also common indicators. In severe cases, the engine may not start at all, leaving you stranded. Since the ECM often controls transmission functions, you could also face erratic shifting or limp mode. What causes this critical P0606 fault? The most common culprit is an internal ECM failure. This can be due to manufacturing defects, the natural aging of components, or sudden electrical spikes. Voltage irregularities are another significant factor. Low battery voltage, a faulty alternator, or poor grounding can damage the ECM. Wiring harness issues are also common. Damaged or corroded wires leading to or from the ECM can disrupt its operation. While rare, software glitches are possible, sometimes requiring reprogramming or updates to resolve. Finally, water intrusion can cause corrosion, severely affecting the ECM's internal components. Now, let's walk through the diagnostic steps to identify and address a P0606 fault. Step 1. Verify the code. Use an OBD2 scanner to confirm P0606 and check for any other related codes. Step 2. Check your battery and charging system. Ensure battery voltage is stable and the alternator functions correctly. Unstable power can often mimic or cause ECM issues. Step 3. Inspect wiring and connectors. Visually check the ECM wiring harness for any damage, corrosion, or loose connections. Even a small fault here can lead to major problems. Step 4. Perform ECM, power, and ground checks. Use a multimeter to test for proper power and ground supply to the ECM. Incorrect voltage can prevent the ECM from functioning correctly. Step 5. Seek professional diagnosis. If basic checks don't resolve the issue, it's time to consult a professional. ECM testing and replacement require specialized tools and expertise. In conclusion, addressing a P0606 ECM processor fault promptly is crucial for your vehicle's health and safety. Regular vehicle maintenance, checking battery health, and protecting your ECM from moisture are key. Don't ignore that. Check engine light. It's your car's way of telling you it needs attention. For accurate diagnoses and repair, always consult a qualified mechanic. Stay safe on the road, and thanks for watching Code Mechanic.